Have you ever looked at the hardest thing in your day and thought, I will do this later? I did this many times, but the problems never went away. In grade 7, life felt easy for me. I was in the simple English class. I understood everything. I felt safe. Then one day, my teacher told me, Cheney, you need to move to the higher English class. I was shocked. A little happy, but mostly scared. I knew that class was harder. I knew the teacher was strict. And I knew I was not ready. But it was on my schedule, so I have no choice. I had to sit in that room on day 1. On the first day, I understood almost nothing. When teacher said my name, my whole body went tight. After class, the teacher told me, your biggest problem is understanding. I did not like hearing that, but I know that was true. So I have 2 choices. Stop trying or keep going. I kept going. 1 class, then 1 week, then more. I learned how to make a PPT. I learned how to make a video. I learned how to write an essay. After 1 month, I feel, okay, this is not so bad now. And I understood something new. When you always try to avoid something difficult, it stays big. But when you try to defeat it again and again, it gets smaller, and you get stronger. So next time, if you're facing something difficult, step a small step toward it. A small step can make a big fear feel smaller. Thank you.